Welcome back to AutoMatrix. Today, we're stepping into something massive. Not just a truck, not just a motorhome. This is a moving fortress built for long-distance luxury and unstoppable capability. This is the 2026 Scania MEGA DECK 8x8. The name alone sounds powerful, but once you see it, you realize it's on a completely different level. The MEGA DECK 888 is built on a heavy-duty Scania multi-axle platform, engineered for extreme load capacity and long-haul durability. From the front, it carries that unmistakable Scandinavian truck design, clean lines, strong grille presence, a wide windshield that gives it a commanding road view. But this isn't a regular Scania truck. This is a full-size luxury expedition motorhome with 4 axles and 8 driven wheels. Rear front fascia features sharp LED headlamps integrated into a modern aerodynamic housing. The grille is bold yet refined, with chrome accents and a large Scania badge centered confidently. Below, the reinforced bumper includes fog lights, skid protection, and integrated camera systems for maximum visibility. And then you notice the length. The extended MEGA DECK body stretches far beyond a typical truck cabin. It rises high, giving it a true double-deck presence. That's where the name comes from, MEGA DECK. This motorhome offers 2 levels of usable living space, transforming it from a vehicle into a luxury mobile residence. Let's talk about performance. First, under the hood sits a powerful 16-liter turbo diesel engine producing around 770 horsepower and an incredible amount of torque. Paired with an advanced automatic transmission and a full-time 8AA8 drivetrain, the MEGA DECK is built to move serious weight without stress. 4 axles, 8 heavy-duty wheels, full traction control. Each axle is designed to handle different terrain conditions. Intelligent torque distribution ensures that power reaches the wheels with the most grip. Whether you're climbing mountain passes or driving through remote terrain, the system adapts instantly. Air suspension across all axles keeps the ride smooth. Even at highway speeds, the cabin remains stable and composed. Despite its size, the MEGA DECK feels planted and confident. Now let's move inside. Open the main door and step into what feels more like a high-end apartment than a motorhome. The lower deck welcomes you with a spacious lounge area. Premium leather sofas line the sides. A large smart TV is mounted on the wall. Soft LED ambient lighting runs along the ceiling, creating a warm atmosphere. The flooring is finished in polished wood-style panels. Large panoramic windows bring in natural light and offer wide views of the surroundings. Toward the center of the lower deck, you'll find the kitchen. This is not a compact RV kitchen, this is a full residential-style setup. You get a large refrigerator, induction cooktop, built-in oven, microwave, deep stainless steel sink, and marble-style countertops. Overhead cabinets provide generous storage. Everything feels solid, premium, and thoughtfully designed. Across from the kitchen is a dining area with a foldable hardwood table and comfortable seating. Perfect for meals, work sessions, or relaxing with family. Moving further back on the lower deck, there's a luxury bathroom. Inside, you'll find a separate glass-enclosed shower, a modern toilet system, and a stylish sink with LED mirror lighting. High-quality fixtures give it a hotel-like feel. Storage cabinets are built into the walls to maximize space efficiency. But the real highlight is upstairs. Climb the sleek staircase to the upper deck, and you enter the private master suite. Here, the MEGA DECK truly earns its name. A full-size king bed sits in the center, surrounded by soft upholstered walls and ambient lighting. Side tables, reading lights, and built-in wardrobes create a comfortable and practical sleeping environment. The upper deck also includes a private seating corner with a small lounge sofa and panoramic windows. Imagine waking up in the mountains, sunlight pouring through the glass, surrounded by nature while still inside a climate-controlled luxury space. Technology plays a major role in this motorhome. The cockpit features a fully digital driver display with navigation, vehicle diagnostics, and terrain information. A large central touchscreen controls lighting, climate, water systems, and security cameras. Yes, security. The Mega Deck 8E88 includes a full 360-degree camera system, perimeter sensors, and smart locking systems. You can monitor everything from inside the cabin. Power management is equally advanced. The roof is equipped with high-efficiency solar panels. Underneath, a massive battery bank stores energy for extended off-grid living. There's also a backup generator for heavy usage situations. Fresh water tanks, gray water systems, and heating systems are integrated seamlessly into the chassis. This motorhome is designed for long-term travel without constant hookups. Now, let's talk about driving such a giant. Despite its size, the Mega Deck uses advanced steering technology. The rear axles can assist in turning, reducing the turning radius significantly. That makes it more manageable than you'd expect. Braking performance is handled by heavy-duty air brake systems, ensuring safe stopping power even when fully loaded. Turn to onto the highway, the 770 horsepower engine moves this massive machine effortlessly. The torque delivery is smooth and controlled. Cabin insulation keeps road noise minimal, creating a peaceful driving experience. Off the highway, the 8888 configuration provides serious traction. While it's not meant for extreme rock crawling like smaller overland trucks, it can confidently handle gravel roads, snow, and rough terrain leading to remote camping locations. And of course, customization options are endless. Buyers can choose premium interior themes, upgraded sound systems, satellite internet connectivity, advanced navigation systems, and even a rooftop terrace deck for outdoor relaxation. Yes, a rooftop deck. Imagine parking by a lake, climbing up to your private rooftop lounge, and watching the sunset from above. Pricing is expected to start well above $600,000 depending on configuration. Fully loaded versions could easily cross the $1 million mark. This is not a vehicle for casual weekend trips. This is for serious travelers, entrepreneurs, digital nomads, luxury adventure seekers who want to bring their home with them wherever they go. The 2026 Scania MEGA DECK 888 is a statement of freedom and power. It combines commercial truck strength with 5-star living comfort. It proves that you don't have to sacrifice luxury to explore the world. 4 axles, 8 wheels, 2 decks of pure comfort. This isn't just transportation. It's a lifestyle on wheels. And here at AutoMatrix, we believe the future of luxury. Travel looks exactly like this. The 2026 Scania MEGA DECK 8x8. Built to move. Built to explore. Built to live.